would get hype off getting middle mentions. Then I started wanting more attention. Then I started wanting the whole crowd to know every word of my shit and say it loud. Yeah, I think, yes, we are. Yes, we Ed, you get my best. I'm trying to get these bars up. You know Ed is in the building. You know Ed is focused on Hollywood. Except I don't yell cut. And take two don't really happen that much. I'm trying to figure out a new rhyme and a new dance. I'm a professional. I always bring my plan at the start of the show. They put the virus up. Second song people climbing up. They always try, but that shit don't work. So everybody move, nobody get hurt. Go, stop, clap, move, back, hands up, go, go. So every stomp, clap, move, back, If y'all love Mad Child, hands up, come on, move, back. Swollen bitches in the motherfucking house. Stomp, clap, move, back, We got, Swinging demons, howling tongues, yeah. Talented, I'm the unbalanced one. Yes, sir. Mentally challenged, I'm balanced, son. Impossible to tell where my style is from. Next house an eagle maniac, my head's gigantic. Big skull, like a metal plate spinning planted. Stubborn as a widow, from me out of the dope. I'm an animal dog, the way that I've been handling folks. Go! Can't smoke cannabis, I need an ambulance. Choke up what it smoke, though I'm a fan of it. Place where I live, to the place where I stay. 1 foot in Vancouver, 1 foot in LA, yeah. Hands come down, and the kegs go back up. Cars and planes and trains and Mack trucks. So that's where that common and bricks don't cut it. My people are the reason. Hands up, go, stop, clap, move, back, yo. The people sing a motherfucking stomp, clap, move, back, all my people right here, back, go, stop, clap, move, back, swollen ankles, dilated peoples, stomp, clap, move, back, Van City, make some noise. Thanks, man, it's an honor. It's an honor being fucking in Vancouver with my family on this stage, man. It's a great honor, man. Let's go. Hey, can I do one little I feel stupid doing a song after you guys are doing all these fucking classic fucking songs where I'm jumping up and down backstage. I'm gonna do this little joint though. It's from my Band to America EP. Just listen, just rock with me, one little joint. Let's do it. Put 'em up, go. Put 'em up, go. Put 'em up, go. Put 'em up, go. Mad Child in the motherfucking house. Yeah, go, go, Mad Child in the motherfucking house. Go, yeah, go. Mad Child. Down on her like go, fat. Respect the gadget with the go, jet. People look at me saying, boy, that man back. Warrior like Braveheart, Troy and Mad Max. Strike with a battle axe, Mike got the shadow back. Glad I got my shadow back. Driving in the Cadillac, cook the bill, chillin'. Super ill villain. Won't let me in the state, my book still killin'. You don't really wanna try to hurt my feelings. That's when your blood could squirt to the ceiling. Ride bike chillin', grab one chillin'. What more can I say? I'm skillin'. Even though I'm not there, still top billin'. Ice-T got away with songs about cop killin'. And I was being good, that's what I call rock killin'. Fuck it, I don't even care, I'ma leave it there. I'm lucky you be even fucking with the hit man chop. Fall into a corner and die. I can't do that, I still must try. This is what I put on this earth for. All my other friends are busy caught in a turf war. Cops still treat me like I am in that game, but how could I be? I don't do anything. All I do is stay home, write rhymes and work out. Everything is gonna work out. Okay, to make it in this game like winning the jackpot. These days you don't need a label, just a laptop. Rappers try, turn into a black clock. So I suggest a second job if you have not. Anything, selling drugs, pouring laptop. You can't eat on Facebook, internet drops. Next you don't leave you in a bad spot. Shooting videos and damage kitchen is like, okay, I know my time is coming. Feel like I'm on a blast off. And I got nothing left to lose to rap my ass off. I listen to these rappers, cause everybody's on the same flash mob. You see, I can do that too, but it won't last, dog. So I say fuck it and I choose to do exact dot. So how am I gonna turn this shit into a cash crop? Fuck it out, just keep on spitting till the hate that job. Turn into a point line. I can't do that, I still must try. This is all I put on this earth for. All my other friends are busy caught in a turf war. Cops still treat me like I am in a gang, but how can I be? I don't do anything. All I do is stay home, write rhymes and work out. Praying everything is gonna work out. Hell yeah. Make some noise. Man, thank you. Straight up. Hey, yo. One more time, y'all. Show your love from our brother, Man Child. Swollen Rivers are full effect, man. Believe that, man. Dagger Mouse in stores right now. Support that. One more Support time. Vancouver hip hop, man. One more time for Mad Child. Come on. Fist in the skies, we still rocking. Here we go. Lots of love. You know, lots of love. Yeah, and there's love. If you feeling the love, where you at now? Go, and there's more. Listen up, listen up. Yeah, walking again. Started off hard-headed, stuck in my ways. But things change and things turn to nice. Man, you're nice and cold if your people ain't right. My squad is straight, flip the cake in 3 ways. My partner's down, I'm feeling your pain. And when we up, you find yourself trying to live. I got lots of love for my crew, that is. Yeah, old soul in the game. I grew up stressed out, trying to hold in the pain. But kept my mind right to sketch the highlights. I enjoy life and fight for my rights. And you're right to fight for yours. I fight through 4 tongues despite